Nagdiwang ang mga fans ng Donbell dahil 5 years na ang love team na ito. May message pa nga sa dalawa, sabi nga niya, "To my Donbell, the way you two bloomed through the years is a joy to witness. You've inspired me in ways I did not expect." Sabi nga ni Bingo, "Ikaw yung the best surpresa na bumulaga sa akin. Grateful to have known you both in lifetime." At ito ang nagustuhan ko sa kanilang tandem is nagpakilig at pinakita nila ang chemistry nila nung time na hindi naman yun ang pakay nila. All they did sing and have fun, but ending up nagpakilig sila because unlike others na nakita ang chemistry sa performance. On cam, they were doing it for work. Pero Donbell, they were doing it for fun. That's why I find I stand them because their chemistry come out naturally without forcing them to. Kaya marami pa tayong years na pagdadaanan at ise-celebrate ng love team ng Donbell.